Hello, Bikram. How are you?
Good morning, sir. I'm good. How about you, sir?
Yeah, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Thank you for asking. Bikram, tell your full name.
My name is both Bikram Pokhrel Darji, sir.
Okay, great, great. From where are you, Bikram?
I'm from Nepal. I have
Okay,
been living in Bahrain since 2013.
okay, okay. Bikram, what do you do for a living?
I'm doing job, sir, in one of the famous company, and it's a waiter.
Okay, means you are working as a
Yes, sir.
waiter in a restaurant.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for how many years have you been working as a waiter?
It's a waiter. Only 2 years, sir.
Okay, you have been working as a waiter for 2 years.
Yes, sir.
Okay, speak the full sentence.
I have been working as a waiter for 2 years.
Great, great, great. Very good, very good. Yeah, Bikram, tell me, how do you handle angry customer?
I was listening to guests carefully, and I will reply them the politely with a smile.
Okay, great, great.
Yes, sir.
I listen to them carefully and be polite to them. Why did you choose to work in hotel industry?
Because I started to work in a hotel and restaurant, so
Okay,
still I'm continuing.
okay, great, 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 great. What is your last qualification?
My last qualifications 10 standards, sir.
Vikram, when do you wake up?
I woke up at 7 in the morning.
Very good, very good. I wake up. Woke up me. I wake up at 7 in the morning. How many hours do you work daily?
I work 10 to 12 hours, sir.
10 to 12 hours daily.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great, great, great. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to reading a book.
ओके आई लाइक रीडिंग अ बुक ओके या तो आप क्या कहेंगे आई लाइक रीडिंग अ बुक या आप कहेंगे आई लाइक टू रीड अ बुक
I like to read a book, sir.
बिकम हाउ ओल्ड आर यू
I'm 30 years old, sir.
great 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 बिकम टेल अबाउट योर थ्री क्वालिटीज
Qualities. I'm a good listener.
ओके
I'm a helpful person.
वेरी गुड
Yes, sir. I'm kind person also, helpful, kind, and a good listener. Uh, I take a serious to the. If someone give me advice, I take serious about that.
ओके 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 वेरी गुड इट मींस यू आर अ गुड फॉलोवर आल्सो
Yes, sir. Good follower.
ओके बिक्रम वेरी गुड विक्रम विक्रम व्हाई इज इंग्लिश इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू
English is the best language. Everyone knows the English for the communication to everyone. So English is most important language.
Okay, okay. You mean to say that English is a common language. Everybody should know English language to communicate.
It's a common language.
Okay, to communicate the people who don't know native language, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good, Vikram. How many hours do you study English or learn English?
Daily 1 hour, sir.
Okay, okay,
1 to 2 hours.
okay. Very good, very good, very
Sometimes
good.
I don't have time, so I just take a class and I have to go to work.
Okay, great, great. What do you think about Young Guru Academy after spending here 2 months?
Young Guru Academy, one of the helpful academy. So it's a good, sir.
Okay, great, 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 great. Mr. Vikram, I'm suggesting here some tips you have to follow. Speak slowly, slowly, okay? And speak the
Yes, sir.
full sentence.
Okay,
At the
sir.
time of speaking, be relaxed and keep calm yourself. And speak the full sentence. Then you can
Okay,
reduce the
sir.
errors of your English. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Whenever you speak English, you have to speak English slowly, slowly, and be relaxed at the time of speaking. With the help of this technique, you can reduce the number of errors of your speaking. Okay, Bikram. Okay, bye. Take care. I'll meet you in the next session tomorrow. Thank you for joining us. Take care of you and your loving family. Jai Hind.